Hey, my editor buddy.
Ever thought about making your edits look insanely good like this? Stick with me till the end, cause today I'll show you how to add HD color correction in Alight Motion. Quick, simple, and professional. This technique will take your edits to the next level and make your visuals shine. Let's get into it.
She gon' move it like a dancer, wondering what's next, knowing I can't answer. No, you just still might be answer. The check never bounce, think I like my banker. She do it without me, think I'm like an anchor. She can give the most, I would never thank her. Got it ready, I'm just waiting on the treasure. Going all the way like I'm Prancer. She gon' break my shirt cause she mad at me. It's a tragedy.